Hi everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to be doing an acrylic design with netting. So we have got this net and we have got Passionate Purple acrylic powder and pink champagne and my usual mix of soft beige and rose glow together for the ombre, and we're going to use crystal clear to cap the whole thing. So we're going to start with the pastel colours. So as you can see, I've fitted the tips and shaped them on our practice hand. And I'm going to do this tip half and half. So I'm going to do half pink champagne, do you know what, I'm going to change this colour. So I've changed the pink. It's not pink champagne anymore, it is Barbie Princess. Pink champagne's nice, it's just it's quite see-through and that's not going to work for this design. That's better. Do them quite wet so that you can blend the middles of them. So while that's setting, we're going to take our netting, pop it into the crystal clear just so that it doesn't stick to the acrylic. You don't want to do it when it's too wet, you need to let it set a little bit. Like so, and move on to the next one.
What's that netting from? Left over from your rave days. Very neon.
I think it's from here, to be honest.
Is it?
Yeah. It doesn't matter what colour net you use when you do this, you can just obviously use any. Or you could rip your rave outfits off. We've probably all got a bit of that on an outfit somewhere, haven't we? Right, so now we've done the tips, we're going to do an ombre with the mix of soft beige and rose glow. We'll start with a medium bead. And same again on the others. Right, now these are dry, we're going to shape them. So we'll just start by shaping the sides. Then we're going to use our, well, we need to find which drill bit this is, Drew, so you can put it, I think it's just a cone.
Yeah, ceramic coal bit.
You will find it and list it for them, won't you?
Yeah, I'll do my best.
So we're just going to go around. It's just to take down the bulk, and then we're going to use a 240 grit file to perfect the shape. Go over these with a buff and block now, smooth that surface before we wipe over with gel residue. And then we'll go over this with top coat now. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hope you all enjoyed that video. All the products used will be listed down below. As always, please don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.